Welcome to our comparison of the Western Digital 2TB WD Blue and the 6TB WD Red Plus. In this video, we will explore the specifications, pros and cons of each hard drive and help you decide which one is the better option for your storage needs. The WD Blue offers a capacity of 2 TB, which is suitable for everyday computing tasks. In contrast, the WD Red Plus provides a much larger capacity of 6 TB, making it ideal for NAS systems that require extensive storage for large amounts of data. The WD Blue operates at 7,200 RPM, providing faster performance for general tasks. However, the WD Red Plus runs at 5,400 RPM, which may be slower for sequential read/write speeds, but is optimized for reliability in 24/7 NAS operations. The WD Blue is designed for general-purpose use in desktop PCs, making it a reliable choice for everyday tasks. On the other hand, the WD Red Plus is specifically designed for NAS systems, ensuring optimal performance and reliability for data-intensive applications. In conclusion, if you need a reliable and affordable drive for your desktop, the WD Blue is a great choice. However, if you're looking to build or upgrade a NAS system, the WD Red Plus is the superior option with its higher capacity and reliability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.